Why do 70% of dog lovers recommend carefully choosing your breeder? Let's find out. First, ensure the breeder does health screenings for common genetic conditions. Next, focus on breeding ethics, health and temperament over profit. A knowledgeable breeder is a must. They should know everything about the breed. Puppies need early socialization, so make sure they're exposed to various environments. Check the living conditions, they should be clean and safe. Puppies should also get their first vaccinations and vet check before going home. You'll want pedigree documentation and a clear return policy. Good breeders provide ongoing support and might have a wait list. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to finding a happy, healthy pup.